Hello everyone. In this video lecture, I am going to explain you how to build and run your first Android application, that is HelloWorld application.
This is how our first Android application will look like. So let's see how to build this application on Android Studio.
Open Android Studio. You need to start a new Android Studio project. Double click on it. Now provide your application name, that is HelloWorld. In company domain, if you have any personal domain, you can enter that, otherwise you can leave it as the default. Project location, this is the location where your final project will be saved. You can also change it from here. Let me change it. I have already created a folder name Android projects, so I am selected it. OK. And then click on next. As you can see here, there are various options available for which you can develop your Android application, that is phone and tablet, where for example watches and TVs etc. But we are going to develop our application for phone and tablet. Now read these lines carefully. Lower API levels targets more devices but have fewer features available. By targeting API 15 and later, your application will run on approximately 94% of the devices that are active on the Google Play Store. That means you have to make a balance between the API level and the features available. So I have selected here API 15, that is Android 4.0.3 ice cream sandwich, which means that my application will run on devices running Android 4.0.3 and later, which will cover approximately 94% of the devices that are available. And then click on next. Now select a blank activity and again click on next. There are two types of files used while developing an Android application. The first one is Java file and the another one is XML file. Your activity name will be the name of the class of your Java file and the layout name will be the name of your XML file. I am leaving both my activity name and layout name as default, and then click on finish. Now creating your project. It will take some time, so you need to wait until the building of project is done. Now click on close. Here we are done. As you can see, this is our XML file and this is our Java file. On XML we work on the user interface. This is its design part and let me show you its text part. Okay, then click on design part. As you can see, a default text view is already here. Select it and delete it. Pick a last text from here and drop it here. Double click on it and type Hello World. And then click enter. You can also change its properties by clicking here. Just type text size, select it. Let me enter here 50. Okay. As you can see, the size of text has been increased. You can also change the background color. Just type here background. Select it, click here, pick a color and then OK. Now we are done. Now we need to build our application. Just go to build and then generate signed APK. This is used to identify the author author of an application. Key store path. Key store is a binary file. It contains a set of private keys. So you need to keep it in a safe and secure place. Click on create new key store path. It is recommended to keep it in a safe and secure place because if you publish an application to Play Store and then lose the key with which you signed your application, you will not be able to publish any updates to your web. Click here to give it a path. I have already created a folder named key store, so I am selected it. Give it a file name, okay, key store, and then click on OK. Now give it a password. Confirm your password. Now provide an alias. Again give it a password. Confirm your password. I have given both the passwords same so that it will be easier to remember. Validity 25 years, which is good enough. Now enter your name. And then enter your organizational unit and organization name. Then your city name. Okay, now your state name, country code, which is IN for India, and then click on next. Okay. You can remember password for your future. Just remember it and then click on next. Now create your master password. Confirm and then click on OK. Now APK destination folder where your final application will be saved. Let me select it. I have created folder name APK in my A drive, so I am selecting it and then click on OK. And then finish. Now it is generating your application, that is your APK file. Wow, generated successfully. You can check it on your drive also. By default your application name will be app.release.apk. You can also change it from here by right clicking and then select rename. Rename it as HelloWorld. Okay, and here we are done. Now I am going to send this APK file to my phone's SD card to install and run this application on my phone.
Before installing the application, you need to allow installation from unknown sources in your phone. To do this, go to Settings and then go to Security and click here to allow installation from unknown sources. Click OK. Now I am going to install the APK file which I have copied in my SD card. Open your file manager and then go to SD card and click here on the APK file to begin the installation. Install. Now the application has been installed. Now I am going to open my application. Okay. So this is our first Android application.
I hope you guys have successfully developed your first Android application. Thanks for watching.